Hello everyone. Our today's question is reverse the integer. So question is we have given a 32-bit integer x. We have to return the reverse integer means we have to return the integer in the reverse order. So if x causes the value to go outside signed 32-bit range means if after reversing the integer it is value is outside the 32-bit integer range, then we have to return 0. Otherwise we have to return the reverse integer, like for x equal to 1 to 3 we have to return 3 to 1, is we will return the reverse. So for negative value, like for minus 1 to 3 we have to return minus 3 to 1, and for 1 to 0 we have to return 2 1, because 0 before a number doesn't count if it does not have any previous number. So our constraint given is ki x is in the range of the integer. So it is possible that after reversing the integer, the range might be overflow. So we have to take care. So code is very simple. Let's see how we will solve it. So what we're gonna do, like first we create a variable rev, that will hold our reverse number, and we will iterate a loop in a x, means x is our number. We will iterate in a loop. We will find the last digit, means like for 1 to 3 we will find the last digit 3, means if we do the modulo by 10, then we will find the last digit. In this case we will find the 3. After that we does not need this value, means 3, we does not need 3, so we will divide it by 10. So our x is now 12. So for this extra case we have to take in account that its value does not overflow. So when value will overflow, like if our reverse value, that our current reverse value is greater than integer dot max value divided by 10, means for let's assume like this, that reverse value, if reverse is greater than integer dot max value, then it will be overflow. Af- After these cases, what we are going to do? We are going to do reverse equal to reverse into 10. We will multiply 10 and then add the remainder in it. So we have to check that its value, integer dot max value divided by 10, it should be equal to it or it should be less than it. Means it is not going to overflow in any condition. So, and another condition is for rev equal to integer dot max value divided by 10, means it is the max value divided by 10. It is not greater than equal to, and our remainder is greater than 7. So if we check the range of the integer, this is from -2 147 483 648, and 2 2 147 483 643. So if we will divide it by 10, so what will be our range? 210 2147 483 640. Then after adding the remainder in it, means if we add value more than 7, means if we add value more than 7, then it will be overflow the positive case. And in the negative case, in the negative sense, if we add, means if we add -8 to the minimum value of the integer divided by 10, means it is not 8, it is 0 if we divide it by 10. So if we add -8 is greater than -8, then it will be overflow condition for the negative values. So there are two conditions: if reverse value is greater than integer dot max value divided by 10, or reverse equal to integer dot max value divided by 10, and our remainder is greater than 0. Means after adding the remainder, the overflow cause, then we will return 0. And for negative, this is for positive values. For negative values, if our rev less than integer dot min value divide by 10, means it is less than integer dot min value. After that, multiplying, if we multiply 10, then it will be underflow, means overflow the range of the negative sign. And for or condition, means if it is equal to integer dot min value divided by 10 and our remainder is less than -6, then we will return 0 for the negative overflow case. This is for the positive overflow case. After that, if both does not execute, then what we will do? We will return REV equal to REV into 10 plus our remainder. After that, we will return REV. Then this is our answer. So this is pretty simple, straightforward question, but since it added the base condition like it should not overflow the integer range, then we have to take care for this.